Welcome back to Learn PHP on Codecademy. We're in the PHP numbers section. This is addition and subtraction. PHP provides several operators we can use on numbers. Let's start with two that are likely familiar, the addition and subtraction operators. Here we have several examples where we add and subtract. We do see it print out the answer. Most of the time, we don't have to worry about which type of number we're using. We can add a float to an integer, subtract an integer from a float, and so on. One quirk is that operators will return integers whenever the result of the operation evaluates to a whole number. So 8.9 plus 1.1 will return 10, an integer, and not 10.0, even though both of the operands in the calculation were floating point numbers. Let's do some adding and subtracting. Here we have our instructions. Say use echo to print the number 12 to the terminal. The trick, use addition or subtraction to print a statement that evaluates to 12, and the number 12 can't appear anywhere in your code. Let's do that now. Run that. We do pass. So what we're learning here is how to use addition and subtraction in our code. As we saw, we are able to echo numbers that we want added together, and it will sum them for us. We could probably also use subtraction, and it's going to give us the right answer. We do see 0. So as long as you're understanding that, you guys are getting numbers, addition and subtraction, and I'll see you in the next lesson.